Are you ready to cast on the first stitches for your new sock knitting project? Let's begin. Take 2 of your 5 double-pointed needles in your sock knitting set and have a long tail of yarn. Make a loop, put 2 needles through that loop and twist. One, 2. Let's do that again. 1, 2. Under, grab, under, pull. This first one you will notice will look like 2 stitches. You want to unbind it and make it 1. Let's set up our fingers and yarn again to practice how to hold it. 1, 2. We have 2 stitches. You don't have to always drop the yarn, but if you're just learning, it helps to get into the habit. 1, 2. Three stitches. You will keep doing this until you have the number of stitches needed for your sock knitting project.